Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are in Mexico. Today I took a tour in Mexico, so I'm just enjoying my life here. You can see this is the Mexico. Your life, man. You're in life, man. Check. Wow. This is good, man. This guy knows how to swim, man. This is great. I was following him, and you see he hold his fin. And then I'm following him, you see? Me, I'm here. That's good. That's good. Smoking my son in Mexico. This Mexico guy.
¿Qué?
Yeah, we're live with my friend Akash from Greece. Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man, not from Greece.
He's the best.
Originally born and brought up in India,
Yeah, man.
but live in
Yeah,
Greece.
man. We're having a good life.
Fuck, man, too much you have, man. I'm
Look,
full, man.
every day is going for gym, this
No,
guy.
man, no, I don't go to the gym every day. Rarely, but I have
Look,
muscles, man. I
handsome
have big
guy,
guns.
handsome guy. I want to take this. Can I have margarita rum? Yeah? This right here? Yeah. Oh, you bought it from me? Yeah, I love it. I didn't see it. Don't put too much on it. Thank
The fuck you doing, man? Just establish your camera there and we sit. Sit here. Where is the smoke, man?
I bring.
I don't want to sit with the ladies, man. My money for ladies. The life, the life. You wanna put this, put your talk, man. Check, check, 1 2 1 2.
Yeah, so this is it, guys. We are on vacation.
We got a tour by the company. We did
Yeah, man.
snorkeling, right?
Yeah, man.
We did snorkeling, scuba diving. Went to see sharks,
Just having
some
fun
beautiful
here.
fishes.
Yeah, man.
Donali couldn't swim. We had to go back
I couldn't
to the
swim,
yacht.
guys,
Oh
because
my
I
God,
don't
man!
exercise.
Get
That's
your margarita,
That's
man.
why I get cramp, man. Then I
Yeah,
went back.
he got cramp on his legs, so he couldn't swim. But I'm the only guy who came,
He's
who
the
went
guy.
last, and who came last
Yeah, man.
from the ocean.
Cheers, bro.
I had my fun, man.
Cheers,
Cheers for
Here
the
we go.
health, wealth, and prosperity, and for the
Enjoy,
good
guys.
life.
Just enjoy this
Yeah,
beautiful view. Yeah, man.
beautiful beach. No chicas here for now, but I don't care because I had fun, man.
Chicas later.
Chicas later coming in my cabin. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's not the first time and it's not the last time.
But
It's always.
we're gonna have 2 days here, so no time
Yeah,
to
he's gonna
rush.
have. He's leaving soon.
So
My
we have
brother
to enjoy.
from another mother, he's going back home. What to do, man? All I can say is goodbye to him and
Yeah,
best of
man.
luck for his future.
Thank you, brother.
I don't know if you're gonna meet again. Life is like this, brother. You meet
Yeah.
people and you
Life
lose
is
people.
life is too short.
But
We gotta
it's
enjoy.
it's all about having fun, man.
Yeah.
It's for the good times, not for the long times. That's why I always say, best of luck for you all who are watching us. Keep enjoying, keep drinking,
That's
and
good.
keep get the beaches, yeah. Oh my God!
I need weed, man. I cannot feel this.
Don't smoke weed, guys. This motherfucker is always smoking weed. Not good for health, brother. And always be consistent in the gym. Not like me, man. Not like me, man. Stop drinking, man. Occasionally it's okay, but not like every day like me, man. But I'll make sure, man, when I go home, I'll go to the gym every day. I'll quit drinking, man. I don't smoke. This motherfucker. He asked me for the cigarettes. Now I'm start smoking again, man. It's been more than a month. I haven't smoked. Today I'm smoking, man. Just chilling, you know.
What's this sound?
Life is good in Cozumel, Mexico. We should visit this place, this beautiful island in Mexico. They have some nice girls. You just talk and fuck around, man. I hope I'm audible. I talk a lot. I hope I'm audible to you guys. Take these things as a suggestion for life as a brother, from the brother to another mother. From another mother. My English is getting fucked up because I'm drunk, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go home soon, man. On October, I'm waiting to go home. Let's see where the life takes us. I hope to see him again, my friend from Zimbabwe.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Zimbabwe, motherfucker. So I'm the most handsome guy on the ship. Whoever wants to follow me on Instagram, it's your boy Akash. No, the ID name is different. I don't know. I don't use much Instagram, but whatever. You just remember me in the good times, man. That's all I need.
If you need his number, just
No,
let
no,
me
no,
know.
no, no number, man.
You have
Somebody
to-
do me, make me bankrupt, maybe, man. No number,
You have to
man.
make an appointment. To
Yeah,
see
man.
this
Maybe.
guy.
No
His
appointment, man.
expenses.
We are just brother, man. The party's in my house. Just bring the booze. That's it, man. I'm living here in Cozumel. Just come and see me. The party, I'll book the venue. You just bring your booze. That's it. We're gonna have fun, man. And bring some chicas with you guys. I have to start shooting after this, man. I had 3 shots. This cocktail of rums, man. Fuck.
But it's not this, not strong.
It's not strong, but it's working somehow. I had my best time here. I love it. I'm missing my girls though. But what to do? I cannot bring them here, man. I cannot afford right now. I have to live my life first. Always remember, guys, you yourself come first, not the other. Fuck the others, man. You gonna have 4, 5 bikes. Nobody care, man. Everybody's fucking around, man. Just fuck the base, cover the face and fuck the base. That's what we say in my country. Cover the face and fuck the base. I'm missing my bike, man. Fuck, I wanna ride bike now, man.
You can go outside and rent a bike.
I have been, but it's not a bike, it's a scooter, man. I don't like scooter, man.
Just
In
pretend
my
like
country, these scooters are for ladies, man.
just pretend like you're riding
No,
a bike,
man.
man.
No, I cannot pretend, man. There is no gears, man. I do wheelies and stuff, man. This in my country, these scooters are for ladies, man. These bangchongs drive scooters, man. I'm not a bangchong, man. I'm a man, man. I'm sorry, guys. You have to see two dicks here, no chicas. I'm sorry, man. But probably soon when he come back, I'll find 2 chicas for both of us. So we sit again for the good times, man. Cheers. The chicas we have is bullshit, man. They take my money, man. They take my money for nothing, man. I don't like this. No, I don't understand this, man. These people, they don't do scuba diving, nothing. They looking for photos, they're buying photos. For
Yeah.
what? They want to post it online that, oh, we've been there. But you haven't done it. You just been there with the group. You haven't done it. This is a fake life, man.
Pay for the photo.
It's a pay. I give money to her, man. And this for the photos. Me, I don't want those photos, man. They didn't ask me, even though I am the one who
Why
paid.
you pay?
They didn't ask me, yo, this is your photo take. I don't
Why?
want actually. It's okay. But I live my life there, man, at that moment. I don't want to show nobody that, oh, I have been doing this, blah, blah, blah. I'm not the one to show off myself, man. Guys, please keep this seriously. Life is for you. This is your life. You don't have to show other people. You don't have to flaunt. You have to live the moment. That's it, man. When you are old, look, I'm 26 right now. Later, after 10 years, maybe I have more money. I'll become rich. But I cannot be same age like this, like 26, man. You have to keep enjoying, have experiences, fuck up, get drunk, beat people on the street. It's okay, man. That's the part of you. You know, the kids, when I'm gonna have a kid, I'm gonna tell these motherfuckers, my kids, that your daddy did this shit, man, on the street or with the girls, blah, 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 man. You have to have experiences, man. So your kids gonna look up to you, man, like a man. You know, that's what I want to teach them, man. You should learn this from me, man. Don't show off like these people, man. They're fucking around, man. They don't even pay for their things, man, and they just being there for nothing, you know. At least my friend, he tried, man. I respect him, he tried. He tried to. We both don't know how to swim, but
Better
we
than
manage, man. We manage. At least we try, man. We tried, man.
Yeah,
That's
man.
all that matters, man, in life. Maybe he then go home, he learn how to swim, then we come here again, man.
We do it
We gonna
again.
swim again, man. We keep trying, man. We never give up. This, my father told me one thing, man. Me and my father is not in a good relation as a kid or a father, but he teach me one thing.
5 more minutes.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we have only 5 more minutes. So this my father taught me one thing. It's either one day or day one. So you have to choose, man. Never
After
give
this,
up.
we're gonna go to another place.
Huh?
After this, we are gonna go to another place.
There is no another place, man. We are going to the ship, man. We have
That's
to
the
work,
another
man.
place.
That's the another place. We have to work, man. That's what it is, man.
We
We
work,
have
we
to,
go
we have to
outside,
get
we
this, so we
enjoy.
have to work for it, man. That's all it is, man. One last cigarette of the day, bro.
Yeah, man.
And we are done. This is Zimbabwe cigarette. Cigarette from Zimbabwe.
Yeah, man. Like it's muscle.
Now this fucked up. It's got wet, man.
Take another one.
Why, man?
Let's take another one.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, guys. 5 more minutes and I will start taking you back.
Don't smoke this shit, man. Don't smoke this shit. Hey, bro. What is his name, man?
I don't know.
This girl is beautiful, man. Stay tuned, guys. Keep watching Donali Chimutuwa
Yeah.
on YouTube, guys. Please like him, share him, subscribe him, man. He's a good guy. Let him show you what he's experiencing in his life, man.
Yeah, man.
Just watch his YouTube channel. Tell them your YouTube
The
channel. Man.
YouTube channel is Don't Let Chimutuwa Global.
Oh, global, man.
Keep watching.
You wanna be global, you
Yeah,
know?
man.
So
Everywhere.
we need to have
All over.
global audience, man.
Yeah, man.
Just follow Donali Chimutuwa Global.
Yeah.
This is no good, man. You finish?
No good, man.
Fix, man. Fix. Okay, guys. Thank you. Love you guys. Enjoy. Woo! Try this, bro. Some nice cocktail. I don't know if you guys can see my face. I am okay like this. Whoever girl is watching from Zimbabwe, text me, ask him for my Instagram. He don't even have my Instagram, but I will give it to him before he leave. Yeah. Whoever girls watching from Zimbabwe who wants to talk, have some private sessions, you can come and text me on my Instagram. I'm not famous, and I don't want to be famous. You know, I want to be keep it little secret. Yeah.
Come on.
But keep following my brother, Nonali Chimutuwa Global.
Yeah, man.
Now, guys, time to go. I'll meet you at the other side of the beach. Time to go. That way.
Okay, guys. Hey, bro. Come here, bro. Look here, man. This is the best snorkeling guy
Yeah, man.
in Cozumel. His name is Randy or Randy. Randy means prostitute in my language, but his name is Randy, okay? Don't miscommunicate, okay? It's two different things. But he's the best. Whenever if you come to Cozumel, you could do the excursion, look for Randy always, man. He made some nice videos for me.
Guys, are we ready?
Alright guys, time to go. He's gonna take camera away from me because I talk a lot. Fuck him.
I think we should change it. Yes.